And this is, why do we die? Why do we die? Simple question, right? You think, oh, well, we die because, we have an accident or we old age. But the truth is, only recently did we find out, scientifically speaking, why we actually die. Okay? Now, of course, again, if you have an accident or you're shot or you fall off a building or you get a terrible disease, we all know why you die. That's pretty straightforward stuff. But this is really about aging death. Why do we age, and why does this aging then lead to death? Even if you have no accidents, if no one shoots you in the head, if you're not decapitated, if you don't fall down a flight of stairs, you still die, Dave. You could live the most careful life in the world, never take a single drug, don't drink alcohol, don't eat red meat, then stay away from all cancers. We'll talk about that too.
Like the oldest woman said.
Stay away from men, right? So why do we die? So look, and this is new, there are a number of theories on aging. And no single theory on how and why people age is able to account for all aspects of aging. And this was taken from Science Clarified webpage. But most take one of two approaches. One, that humans are genetically programmed to age and die. I want to say this again. That humans are genetically programmed to age and die. And two, that natural wear and tear causes aging and eventual death. So I think I agree with both of those statements. That's exactly where we are. Arguments in favor of genetic programming cite hormonal control and or limited cell division, reproduction, as the mechanisms involved in the aging process. And we'll spend some time on this. One hormonal approach focuses on the hypothalamus, which is at the base of the forebrain, which controls the production of growth hormones, which influence growth and development in the pituitary gland. It is thought that, possibly due to the action of a hormonal clock, the hypothalamus either slows down normal hormonal function or that it becomes more error-prone with time, leading to physiological aging. Dave?
Repeated experiments have shown that human cells grown in tissue culture in the laboratory will divide only about 50 times before they die. Exceptions are cancer cells, which have unlimited growth, and brain and muscle cells, which do not divide after birth. This suggests a genetic clock that limits how many times cells can divide. It is thought that as cell division decreases, as it does in older people, the functioning of the body also begins to slow down, resulting in aging and eventual death.